Hi friends, I am Dr. Muhammad Usman. Thanks for watching. Now let's talk about Ceflam tablet, its uses, side effects and price in Pakistan. Ceflam tablet is a brand name for the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug Diclofenac Potassium. It is commonly used to relieve pain and inflammation in osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis and menstrual cramps. The mechanism of action of the Ceflam tablet involves the inhibition of the enzyme cyclooxygenase (COX). The enzyme plays a key role in producing prostaglandins, which are substances in the body involved in pain, inflammation and fever. Ceflam 50 mg tablets price in Pakistan ranges between 11 and 15 rupees per tablet. The Ceflam tablet price varies depending on the strength and the manufacturer. The Ceflam tablet uses include osteoarthritis. Ceflam can help reduce pain, swelling and stiffness in joints affected by osteoarthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis. Ceflam can help alleviate the pain and inflammation associated with rheumatoid arthritis, an autoimmune condition that affects the joints. Ankylosing spondylitis. Ceflam can help relieve the pain and stiffness associated with ankylosing spondylitis, a type of arthritis that affects the spine. Menstrual cramps. Ceflam can help alleviate the pain and discomfort linked with menstrual cramps. Acute gout. Ceflam can help reduce pain and inflammation related to acute gout, a type of arthritis that occurs when uric acid crystals accumulate in the joints. Follow these general instructions for taking the Ceflam tablet. It should be taken with food or milk to help prevent stomach upset. The tablet should be swallowed whole and not crushed or chewed. Not to exceed the prescribed dose of Ceflam or take it longer than recommended by your doctor. Strictly follow the prescribed dose in order to avoid complications. The recommended dose is usually 50 mg taken 2 or 3 times daily. In the case of rheumatoid arthritis, the dose is usually 25 mg taken 4 times daily or 50 mg taken thrice daily. Common side effects of Ceflam include upset stomach, diarrhea, headache, dizziness, rash or itching, elevated blood pressure, increased risk of heart attack or stroke, increased risk of bleeding. If you experience any serious side effects, call your doctor immediately. Ceflam tablet is not considered safe during pregnancy. It should be avoided during pregnancy, especially during the 3rd trimester, as it may cause harm to the developing fetus. There is some evidence that suggests that the use of NSAIDs like Ceflam during pregnancy may increase the risk of miscarriage, birth defects and complications during delivery. Always consult with your gynecologist before taking any medication during pregnancy to ensure the safety of both you and your baby. In most cases, Ceflam starts working within 1 week, but it may take up to 2 weeks before you start feeling better. Ceflam is not recommended for children under the age of 18 unless specifically prescribed by the doctor. I hope you liked the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.